Hey there guys, so in this video I'm going to talk about the Xfinity and how you can get cheaper bill if you want to actually get it. So the first thing first, you want to call the retention department. So you want to ask for cancellations and you want to threaten that you're going to switch to competitors like T-Mobile or Verizon 5G. And then another thing is that you can also use your own rental or your own modem router to avoid rental fees. And you want to also sign up for autopay with a bank account to save $10 a month. This is also important thing. So first thing first, you want to use your own modem router. Also, you can even like buy it from like, I don't know, just like used one from secondhand if you want. And also autopay with bank account. So again, you can also switch to now internet or creating a new account under different family members. And you can get like action like when there is going to be Black Friday and you can have new customer pricing. So this is something that you can also do and something to actually like try, and maybe it's going to help you. I hope so. I just want to make this like very quick video what you can try, and I hope it's going to work for you. So thank you very much guys for watching and have a great day.